For real, girl. Yeah, I just gotta say, man, why all these niggas, why all these girls always hating on me? I got my hair done. Ooh, shit. See, when I step up in the club, you know I'm doing my thing, doing my thing. Just wanna say something. You mad cause I got my hair? For real? All the players play, back to the Louis. Let me call my man real quick. Hello? I want some Gucci shoes, the Louis bag, and the sundress. It's hot as fuck out here. Like, this what you gonna do to me? For real? Man, fuck you. Bye. Alright, Gucci. Don't I like Nicki Minaj, y'all? I feel like the Dungeon Dragon. Like the Dungeon Dragon. Music make me lose control. I'm doing my. For real, though. Y'all know Whitney Houston come on at like 12 o'clock. Who is this? How you doing? How you doing? Don't ask me how I'm doing. I'm doing good, can't you see? Shit. Always talking like, how you doing? You sound like a fucking man. Damn. Shit. Is that food almost done? Cause I want some. Let me brush my hair. Hold on. Brush my hair. Oh shit. Oh shit. You ain't see nothing, did y'all? For real, like. Oh, oh, this is my song. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up in the tub, doing my thing, looking top, 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 top. Now do the pretty girl rock. If you're looking for me, you can catch me. Cameras rolling. If you're looking for me, you can catch me. Cameras rolling, up the voting, have to selling. My goodie, my goodies. Can't you see? Can't you see? I'm just looking for the pain. See, I'm just a little midget, man. Shit. For real, I'm a midget, y'all. Ooh, look at my shoes. Yeah. You just stepped on my J's. Stepped on my J's. You just stepped on my J's. Yeah, for real, y'all. Like, she ain't had to do that. Hey, 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 hey. Do the hey. Fan away, girl, girl. Like for real, like the girls y'all be with be bald headed as fuck, like be bald headed as fuck, like not my goodies. Y'all want to see my twin? Hold on. Come on, girl, you about to be on YouTube. What do you want, Letitia? What? Oh my god, I'm on YouTube. I'm telling mommy. I don't know why, for real, like. Tracks are showing. I'm done. Follow me on Twitter at I don't know what the fuck.